Hi, welcome to our first level 1 algebra video. In this video, we're going to just explore some basic ideas of algebra. Well, you should know by now that when we multiply expressions, we write the coefficients first. Coefficients are the numbers out the front. We don't use a multiplication sign. And when we multiply, we write the variables, which are the letters or symbols. We write them in alphabetical order. You should also know that we use the fraction sign for division. All right, what about the fact that numbers with no signs are positive terms? You can see that negative terms do need a sign. And don't forget your basics of integers. If they are the same, two positives make a positive, two negatives make a positive. But if they are different, they make a negative. Right, what about terms? Terms can only be added or subtracted if they are like terms. And if you have a look at these three examples I've given you, all three examples are like terms, and you can try to add or subtract them to simplify them. However, unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted. Having a look at that first example, they have different letters, so they're unlike. The second example, they have different powers, which makes them unlike. And the third example, the second term does not have a y in it, so that makes it unlike. All right, let's just do a couple of examples just to get you familiar with what they may ask in an exam. Example number 1, the lengths of a triangle are 3x, x plus 5, and y squared minus 2. Write down an expression for the perimeter of the triangle. Well, perimeter is just the distance around the outside of the shape. So we're just going to add up all those three terms. So 3x plus x plus 5 plus y squared minus 2. And now we've got to look at what are like terms. So you'll see that the 3x plus x are like terms. We can simplify to 4x. The 5 subtract 2 are like terms and can simplify to 3. And the y squared is all by himself or herself. We can write this the other way around. When you add numbers, when you add numbers, you can write them in any order you wish. So it doesn't matter if you've chosen to put y squared plus 4x plus 3 or in a different order. Example 2, the triangle has a base and a height as shown. You need to write down an expression for the area of the triangle. Well, the area of a triangle is just base times height divided by 2. So we're going to go base, which is 3AC, multiplied by the height, which is 4B, and divided all by 2. Now we're going to simplify the top. So we're multiplying, so we're going to go 3 times 4 is 12 and put the coefficient first. And then we're going to put it in alphabetical order A, B, C, and then put it all divided by 2. You may remember how to simplify that because 12 divided by 2 is 6. So we could simplify it down to 6 ABC, but we'll explore how to simplify algebraic fractions later on. Great, thanks for watching.